My name's Phil Morley and I'm here from Infinite Access Services, and we are a rope access contractor that work closely with REAX. I've used personally REAX before setting up the company. I used to use REAX as a training provider, as a subcontractor when I was working in that capacity, and then as a company we've used REAX solely for a number of years now. Well, we've been set up for 4 years as trading, if you like, in that capacity, so all of our workforce train with REAX. We send our people to REAX because I value what the staff are about. The trainers are real world experience. They're not, all the trainers have previous experience in different industries and different roles and different sectors that they've come from, so they bring real world experience and they bring real training, because sometimes I'm not a fan of textbook training. I'm a fan of actual practical real training, and I feel that REAX brings that side, and they're also very approachable. The instructors are very knowledgeable, and it's just quite a nice environment to be in when you come here. So today I was really interested to come up and have a look at the Skylar Tech, the axe safes and things like that. That's the thing that we're considering as a business, so it was good to see them. Obviously I'm aware of the things that REAX do in terms of the courses and things, but it's always good, and it's been a great opportunity to network with like-minded people and people who are working within different sectors but require similar skill sets, so it's been useful for that. So the way Infinite Access Services and REAX can work together best, I think, is continue the training model. We also do work with REAX, so we offer REAX's services out to clients. So even though we provide industrial rope access and that type of, and we work in that sector, what we don't offer really, it's not really our forte, is training. So when we get approached by clients, can we do that? We offer REAX's services out. We recommend REAX as a provider, and then we also work side by side with REAX at times on certain projects. They recommend us as a rope access contractor. So I'm hoping that we can just keep growing this business and keep growing our relationship that we have in terms of providing clients with great quality, both work and training. I've got quite a good personal relationship now with Keith, the owner, and that's been great because we've developed that over a number of years, and I think we've both got a very similar mindset, which is we want to provide top quality service at all times. So yeah, it's been really good to see how that relationship's developed, and then working alongside Tom now with the equipment side of things. We're starting to use REAX as an equipment provider now as well, which is brilliant, and they're always very responsive now to our needs when we need stuff.
So my name is Dave Hume, and I've come from Fleetwood Nautical campus, the offshore section, and we've just come down here today just to see the 10th birthday of REAX. We don't always get a chance to see all the facilities you've got here because we're usually dropping kit off or taking it back. We have done courses here, but usually it's been the PP inspection courses, so we don't always get to see all the other facilities you've got here, so it's good to be able to see it. And of course, coming here for a few years, and I think REAX were involved right at the very start of our setup at the college there with some of the training equipment that we got and the setup and everything. So it's good to see how our things growing and it's getting better really. Our courses are kind of very prescriptive in what we're doing because we're doing stuff for the Global Wind Organisation and everything, so their courses, but it's good to see some different pieces of kit and some different approaches to it as well, you know, which we probably will be able to use with our students. Yeah, it's important for us, for the equipment that we've got, the land descent devices, that we can get them back quickly if we need them or to buy some new ones. So it's important, and it's great for us that we can get in touch with REAX and we can have a quick turnaround on our kit if we need it servicing or maintaining or something like that. Yeah, you've got your big mobile training unit, which is great for you guys to take out to sites because the students can't always come for you, especially if they're coming a long distance or you've got a few students at a particular site. You know, it means that they can have a go in that and use the facilities without having to travel too far, and you can take this unit out to them.
Hi, my name's Nathan Hackney. Down today from Fleetwood Nautical campus, up at Fleetwood, okay, part of Blackpool and the File College. We've been in contact with and watched REAX grow essentially from its early Acorn days. Over many years, it's your 10th anniversary today, and so we've had lots of contact with you over the years. we get equipment for you and we do training with you and things like that. And it's really nice to see how you've expanded and grown from them small stages to the very impressive facility that you've got today. Well, I think in any training facility it takes the evolution of the environment, so you've got really well thought out stages where you can do multiple discipline sort of training and things like that, so it's really good. Whoever's thought about it, a lot of thought's gone into it, and it matches a lot of different scenarios and training situations, so it's an impressive setup to be able to use for any trainer or somebody looking for a training facility to dynamically train the people, I guess.